The world is transforming, steadily and ever faster. What about us? We've become part of this transformation for quite some time. How can a company not just keep up with its competitors, but set the pace? Can the value-adding processes in my company be transformed just as easily? Can we simulate our surroundings with the same minimal effort? Can we make the processes in our departments leaner in the same fashion? How easily can automation relieve manufacturing operations? Can enterprise data be managed across different locations? Can we mirror reality with a digital twin, just like that? Will I find a partner providing consistent advice with expert knowledge for my processes, who implements innovative technologies and ensures a safe operation in the future? Is there a partner that can support us in our digital transformation?